I almost gave up on Claude Agent and JetBrains IDEs. I've been using Codex more and more, but that might just have changed. That's right, we did a massive upgrade to Claude Agent integration in JetBrains IDEs, which is now powered by ACP. Let's take a look together. I prepared a little sample project here, which we'll have a look at together in just a few. But first things first, you now have a couple new selection options here. And if you've used Claude Code before, those might look familiar. Also, you now get automatically support for the latest and greatest models, which is a nice thing. There's no need for an update or things like that anymore. All of this ACP integration will bring us closer to Claude Code. I do have to say, the terms of service of Anthropic are a little tricky, to say the least. So you still have to use a JetBrains AI subscription instead of your own Anthropic subscription, but we're working on that. So what is new? We have a little bit more of a consistent UI. So if you've used other agents in JetBrains IDEs, this looks now a little bit more familiar and consistent. Also, you now automatically get support for slash commands. So for instance, I have experimented with Ralph and the Ralph loop a little bit, and I've used that in Claude Code. So those slash commands are now available in JetBrains IDEs automatically, which is a nice thing. Also, MCPs that are registered in the settings and for Claude Code are available through Claude Agent in JetBrains IDEs. So that's just a nice little, these MCPs. So that's just like a nice little consistency thing that we provide now. Also, we fixed a bug with that you can now have multiple Claude Agent runs at the same time. For that, you can just do a new chat and with the history switch between this. Lastly, we also added a couple more consistency options so that you now consistently can access the file name or the currently open file, just like you're used to from chat and other agents. So let's have a look at what we built together so that you can see the magic of Opus 4.6. And obviously, you get the little summary and all those things, the div, whatever you want. But what we built is a little star constellation simulator, so that you can navigate between commonly known star constellations, which I think was pretty neat. The thing that is kind of cool here, it's still not perfect, as you saw the animations, like the camera zoom is a little bit weird, but this was completely one shot based off a pretty simple prompt. There's not a whole lot of details here. So that was quite nice. I like Claude Agent. Definitely give it another look. And I would recommend you checking it out. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And thank you so much for joining us today.